Hello, my dear friends and my dear students. I welcome to my YouTube channel. Before myself, Tirunagaram Manohar, Department of Mathematics, University College of Science, Tumkur, Karnataka. My mobile number 6302026237 and 89850 So this is my brief introduction. Okay, my dear friends, I came to here to introduce BSc of Tumkur University. Under BSc Tumkur University 4.1 Unit 1 Complete Guide course, I want to explain Unit 1 Complete Guide course. So, in this Complete Guide course, already Part 1 completed. Now, we want to discuss about Part 2. Part 2. So, my dear friends, if you not subscribe my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe my YouTube channel as Tirunagaram Manohar. Tirunagaram Manohar. Please subscribe my YouTube channel as Tirunagaram Manohar. Like this video, share to your friends as well as write your valuable comments on my comment box. Okay, my dear friends, if you subscribe this channel, please continue part 2. In the part 2, in part 1 already up to worked problems, one problem completed. Now we want to discuss about worked problems from second problem onwards. See here, second problem or second question. This is very important one. Evaluate integral c xy into dx plus x square z into dy plus xyz into dz, where c is the curve given by x is equal to e power t, comma y is equal to e power minus t, and z is equal to t square, and also this t lies between 0 and 1. That means 0 is less than or equals to t is less than or equals to 1. My dear friends, see this question, understand this question. First of all, evaluate integral c xy into dx plus x square z into dy plus xy z into dz. This is the, we want to make it integrate. So where c is the curve given by x is equal to t, y is equal to t minus t, z is equal to t square, and t lies between this range 0 to 1. See here. My dear friends, see here answer. First of all, we have given that is what? X is equal to e power t, comma y is equal to e power minus t, and z is equal to t square is given. And also this t lies between 0 to t less than or equals to 1. 0 to 1. So first of all, now we want to differentiate with respect to t. See here, dx is equal to, what will happen? Differentiation of e power t into dt will come. So like that, differentiate with this y also with respect to t. So that's why dy by dt is equal to minus e power minus t, or divide by dt take into this side. So dy is equal to minus e power minus t into dt. Similarly, dz is equal to 2t into dt. See here, we want to make it differentiate. Now, this given integration, what will happen? See here. Now, integral c, what is given? Xy into dx plus x square z into dy plus xy z into dz is given. Now, see here what will happen in this case. We want to apply all values. This curve C varies from 0 to 1. Why? Because t is given from 0 to 1. So that's why this is varies. T varies from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Now substitute this x, y and dx value. X value how much? D e power t into y value e power minus t into, see here, dx value e power t into dt, e power t into dt, plus again x square e power t whole square into z value how much? T square, z value t square into dy value minus e power minus t, minus e power minus t dt. This is the dy value, plus again x, y, z and dz value. X value e power t into y value e power minus t into z value how much? T square, z value t square into dz value how much? 2t into dt, 2t into dt. See my dear friends, we want to simplify this one. Yes, see here, integral 0 to 1. Here e power t into e power minus t get cancelled. So what will happen? Only e power t is there in this term. Dt you have to write commonly. Next plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus. See here t square is 1. Separately you have to write, not a problem. Okay. E power t whole square means e power 2t into e power minus t. That means e power t into t square. Okay. Next plus e power t, e power minus t get cancelled. 2 into t square into t cubed into dt. This is the simplification. Now we want to make it integrate. Integral, first we want to split it. Integral 0 to 1 e power t dt minus integral 0 to 1 e power t into t square into dt plus 2 is the constant, integral 0 to 1 t cube into dt. Okay, by property of line integral we want to split this integration. Now apply these values. So we all know this. E power t, integral e power t dt value, e power t intervals we want to apply, or last we want to apply 0 to 1, or last only we want to apply, not a problem. See here this integration minus right here, minus I am writing. This is the product rule or Leibniz rule we want to apply, product rule. See here product rule, I want to write here this formula, integral uv dv. Leibniz rule I am writing u into v dash minus u1 into v double dash plus u2 into v triple dash minus u3 into v to the power of 4. That means here where u, u1, u2, u3, so on etc. are differentiators. Next, and v dash, v double dash, v triple dash, v 4 times, or integrators. So that means u, u1, u2, v3 differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. u dash, v dash, u double dash, u triple dash, v triple dash integrate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. This is shortcut form. Okay, so like that, u, first of all in these two functions we want to what is the first function and second function we want to decide. So which term is or which function is ended, that is said to be u. This is not ended. V, e power t is not ended, so that's why I take v. So that's why u into means t square into t square into integral v dash. V dash means integral v power t. Integral e power t what? E power t. See here according to this form minus u1 means this one. We want to differentiate it. Differentiation of t square is what? 2t. Again into v double dash. Again we want to integrate this e power t. Integration of e power t again e power t. Plus is the plus. Again u2. U2 means again we want to differentiate this one. Differentiation of 2t 2. So into integral of e power t is what? E power t. Again minus the differentiation of 2 0 into integral of e power t 0 into this value 0. So that's why this one. Next last term is what? This is about this term, this integration. Next we want to this integration plus 2 into so intervals also we want to apply. Here also 0 to 1. So again 2 into, just a second, next term, one more term is there, that is 2 into integral t cube dt value, what? 2 into t to the power of 4 by 4. Again interval here or separately we want to write. This is the integration. Okay, now we want to simplify these values. We want to simplify that values or limits we want to apply. See here, e power t, upper limit we want to apply, upper and lower limit. E power t upper limit, lower limit, e power 0 minus of this one. Okay, see here upper limit t, where t is there in that place we have to apply. First of all upper limit t square into e power t means 1 square into e power 1. Next minus 2t into e power t minus 2 into 1 into e power 1. Plus 2 into e power t plus 2 into e power 1 minus this value 0. This is the upper limit complete. Next lower limit we want to apply, lower limit 0. So while you are applying lower limit 0, we want to symbol change. So t square means minus 0 square into e power 0. Next minus of minus plus 2 into 0 into e power 0. Next minus 2 into e power 0, this term completed. Next this one 0. So this is the this term. Next again one more term, 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into upper limit 1 power 4, lower limit 0. See, we want to simplify these values. Here e power 1 means e power 0 means 1, minus of, first of all we have to simplify this one, 1 into e power e minus 2e plus 2e, idu 0, idu 0, idu 0, minus 2 into 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2. See here, my dear friends, e minus 1 minus of, here plus 2e minus 2e get cancelled. So remaining is what? E minus into minus plus 2 plus 1 by 2. See here again plus e minus e get cancelled. Here what will happen? 2 minus 1, 1 plus 1 by 2. That is how much? 3 by 2. My dear friends, this is the answer. I hope you all understood this problem. If you understood this problem, I'll move on to the next problem. Third problem. That is third problem. See here, this is also very very important for 5 marks. 5 marks. See here, my dear friends. Evaluate integral c y z by x into dz plus e power y into dy plus sin z Just a second. Sin z into dz, where c is the curve, x is equal to t cube, comma, y is equal to t, and z is equal to t square, as well as where this t lies between 2 to 3. That means 2 is less than or equals to, t is less than or equals to 3. So like this problem is given. See here, my dear friends, once again see this problem. Evaluate integral c yz by x into dz plus e power y into dy plus sin z into dz, where c is the curve, x is equal to t cube, y is equal to t square, and z is equal to t square, where t lies between 2 and 3 is given. I hope you all understood this question. See answer. So what is given here? We have x is equal to what? T cube. X is equal to t cube. Y is equal to what? Y is equal to t, and z is equal to t square, and this t lies between 2 is less than or equals to, t is less than or equals to 3. T lies between 2 and 3. Now um, we want to differentiate with respect to t. So that's why dx is equal to what? Differentiation of t cubed 3t square into dt. Next, dy is y is equal to t means dy is equal to dt. Okay, my dear friends, z is equal to t square differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dz is equal to 2t into dt. Okay, now we want to do it. Now integral c is what is given, yz by x into dz is given, plus e power y into dy is given, plus sin z into dz is given. My dear friends, see here in these terms we want to apply all values. Here integral c is from where to where? Varying from 2 to 3 is varying. So that is integral 2 to 3. So y means what? Y means t, y value t into z value as what? T square, y, x value t cube. X value how much? T cube into dz. Dz means 2t dt. 2t into dt. This is the all this value completed. Next, e power y into dy. E power y. E, write as it is, y value. Y value how much? T into dy value. Dy value how much? Dt. Dy value dt plus sine of z. Z means we should care here. Z means t square into dz value. What? 2t into dt. 2t into dt. See here, my dear friends, we want to simplify this one. Integral 2 to 3, write as it is. T into t square, t cube, this t cube get cancel. What will happen? 2t into dt we want to write on last into e power t. Next, plus this one. Okay, this both consider as a one term. See here, into dt plus, I am writing one more color, integral 2 to 3 sine of t square into 2t into dt separately have to write. Next, okay, integrate it. Now integral 2t dt means 2 into t square by 2 plus integral e power t means e power t. Okay, e power t. Intervals where to where we want to apply 2 to 3. This is the term. Plus again we want to integrate this one. Before that, substitution method we want to apply. Put t square is equal to z. T square is equal to z. Already z is there, so that's why don't take z. One more term we have to take. Other than that variable, we want to take it. What we want to take? Okay, not a problem. Z. So already z is there, so that's why we want to take one more variables. What will take? What we want to take? P. Okay, t square is equal to p. We want to take. Now differentiate with respect to t. So that's why 2t into with respect to t. 2t into dt is equal to dp. 2t into dt is equal to dp. Now this interval also we want to check it. If t is equal to 2 means why? Because here from 2 to 3 is changing. If t is equal to 2 means p is equal to what will happen? T square, that is equal to 4. Again, if for t is equal to 3 means p is equal to t square, that is 3 square. How much? 9. So that means p is varies from 4 to 9. So see here, we want to apply integral p is equal to 4 to 9, changing 4 to 9, 4 to 9, and sine of t square is what? P into 2t into dt, what? Dp. 2t into dp. Dt is what? Dp. Now we want to make it integrate. See here, we want to simplify. Here 2, 2 get cancelled. T cubed. Where t is there, we want to apply upper limit. 3 square is there plus e power t. Upper limit complete. E power t. T means 3. Lower limit how much? 2. 2 square. 2 square minus what? E power minus 2. Sorry, e power 2. This is this value. Next, this one we know that integral sine dt, integral sine p dp means how much? Minus cos p. Intervals where to where? 4 to 9. Integral sine p dp value minus cos p. Intervals 4 to 9 is going. So that's why 3 square value how much? 3 square value 9. Sorry, small mistake is there. Already dz value is what? Z square. Okay. Okay. Here x is equal to t cube is given. Y is equal to t. Z is equal to t square is correct. Next, we want to apply 3t square into dt. 3t square into dt. Y value dt. Z value 2t into dt. Correct. Next, we want to apply. Where function is what? yz by x into d. Here not z, here x is there. Sorry, question is small mistake. Here x is there, dx. Correct it. So here x. Now this value how much? Dx value what? 3t square dt. Dx value 3t square dt. See my dear friends, here 3 will come. So 3t square means, small correction, here 3t cubed by 3. 3t cubed by 3. Here this is 3 3 get cancelled, t cubed is there. So small correction here also. So that's why t cubed upper limit apply how much? Upper limit here. Upper limit how much? 2 to 3. 2 to 3 is it no? 2 to 3. So t cubed integral t cubed means what? T to the first of all 3t square still not integrated here. 3t square is there. Now integrate it. What? 3t cubed by 3. Here 3 get cancelled. T cubed means we want to apply. Okay. Okay, now correct. So ಇದು t cubed by 3 get cancelled. ಇದು integral e power t dt value e power t limits 2 to 3. ಇದು substitution method. See here I wrote here in this bracket, in this box, put t is equal to t square is equal to p. So differentiate with respect to t. 2t into dt is equal to dp. If t is equal to 2, then p value 4. If t is equal to 3, then p value 9. So that means p values from 4 to 9. So we want to apply these values. See here, what is this? T cubed upper limit is what? 3. So that's why 3 cubed plus e power t e power 3 minus 2 cube will come here. Minus 2 cube minus e square plus of integral sin p dp value minus cos p intervals 4 to 9. Now we want to apply this value. So my dear friends, 3 cubed means how much? 3 cubed means 27 plus e cube minus 2 cubed means 8 minus e square. My dear friends, upper limit apply it. Cos 9, lower limit apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus of minus plus cos 4. Cos 4. So my dear friends, here this one 27 minus 8, 19 plus e cube minus e square. This one put I am writing cos 4 minus cos 9. My dear friends, this is the answer. I hope you all understood this problem. My dear friends, if you understood this problem, I will continue one more problem. That is next problem. See here, fourth problem. Fourth problem also very very important for 5 marks. See here, my dear friends, evaluate integral c x square minus y into dx plus y square plus x into dy, where c is the curve, given by x is equal to t, comma y is equal to t square plus 1, where 0 is less than or equals to t is less than or equals to 1. See my dear friends, this is the question, just like previous question. See what is given. So given that what is given, x is equal to t is given, comma y is equal to t square plus 1 is given, where this t lies between 0 to 1. So that means 0 is less than or equals to t is less than or equals to 1. My dear friends, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. See here, that means dx is equal to, this means a dt, and this one is what? Dy by dt x value, that dt take it to this side. So differentiation of t square 2t into dt. So this one, my dear friends. Now what will happen? See here, now we want to apply integral c. What is given? X square minus y into dx is given, plus y square plus x into dy is given. So here curve from where to where we want to change? Here 0 to 1 we want to apply curve, integral 0 to 1. Here x square means x means t, x square means t square minus y. Y value how much? T square plus 1. So y value t square minus 1 with minus. So that's why t square minus 1 minus t square minus 1 into dx value what? dt plus of y square value. Y means t square plus 1. Y square means t square plus 1 whole square plus x. X means what? T. X means what? T into dy. Dy value 2t into dt. 2t into dt. See my dear friends, integral 0 to 1 write as it is. Here plus t square minus t square get cancelled. What will happen? Minus 1 into dt is there. Plus we want to expand this one. A plus b whole square form. A square means t square whole square. That is t to the power of 4. B square means 1 square plus 2ab. So this is a plus b whole square form plus t into 2t into dt. Still one more step. Integral 0 to 1 minus 1 into dt right as it is plus this t power 4 only one term is there plus 1 plus 2t square. So directly you have to multiply it first of all directly. See here t to the power of 4, t to the power of 4 into 2t is what? 2t to the power of 5, isn't it? T to the power of 4 into 2t is what? 2t to the power of 5 plus 1 into 2t, 2t plus 2t square into 2t, 2 2 is a 4, t square into t, t cube plus t into 2t, 2t square into dt. So my dear friends, now we want to make it integrate it. Integrate this one. Integral minus 1 dt. How much? Minus t. Integral minus 1 dt value how much? Minus t. Again interval all 0 to 1. We want to apply last 2 into plus 2 into integral t to the power of 5 means t to the power of 6 by 6 plus 2 into t means integral t means t square by 2 plus 4 into integral t cubed means t to the power of 4 by 4, t to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus 2 into t cubed by 3 intervals from where to where? 0 to 1 my dear friends. See here next one, upper limit we want to apply. Where t is there in that place we want to apply upper limit. Minus 1 minus t is there, so minus 1. See here 2 1 ja 2 3 ja get cancelled. Here 2 get cancelled. 4 get cancelled. So what will happen my dear friends? Minus 1 is there plus 1 by 3 into upper limit plus 1 by 3 into upper limit is what? 1. 1 t power 6 means 1 to the power of 6. Only upper limit I am applying. Here t square means 1 square plus t to the power of 4 means 1 to the power of 4 plus 2 by 3 into t cubed means 1 cube. This is the upper limit. For lower limit all terms becomes how much? 0. For lower terms, why? Because t square, t to the power of 4, t square, t to the power of 4, t cubed, all t is there in that by replacing t is equal to 0, that value becomes 0. For lower values that all becomes 0. My dear friends, this is minus 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 by 3. See my dear friends, here minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. What will happen? 1 by 3 plus 1, 1 means 1 by 1 plus 2 by 3. So how much LCM? LCM is 3. So that's why 1 plus 3 plus 2. So that means 4 plus 2, 6 by 2. 4 plus 2, 6 by 3. 6 by 3 means 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. My dear friends, answer how much? 2 is the answer. 2 is the answer. Okay, my dear friends. I hope you all understood this problem. I I will going to stop this my video session. In this session, if any doubt arises, please call separately or chat with me. My dear friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel as Tirunagaram Manohar, Tirunagaram Please subscribe this channel, like this video and share to your friends as well as write your comments on my comment box. Okay, my dear friends, thank you and all. Before that, stay home, be happy, be healthy. Thank you very much.